Dr. James Shera joins Pakistan Interfaith League (PIL) on the invitation of Chairman Pakistan Interfaith League and CEO HumSub.TV Sajid Ishaq. The Chairman Pakistan Interfaith League Sajid Ishaq is presently on a tour of the United Kingdom to meet the office bearers of PIL and review the work being done for the promotion of interfaith harmony in the UK. During his visit, he extended an invitation for Dr. James Shera to join Pakistan Interfaith League as Patron-in-Chief of PIL. Dr. James Shera willingly accepted the invitation of the Chairman Sajid Ishaq. Dr. James Shera was the former Lord Mayor of Rugby, United Kingdom. He was awarded with the highest honour of Freedom of the Borough of Rugby Award. Dr. James Shera has also received the most prestigious sword of Sitara-e-Pakistan for his exemplary services. During the meeting, Canon Fr. Falakshir, the first Asian Canon and Rector of the Church of England and President of Pakistan Interfaith League UK chapter, was also present. Dr. Shera extended his utmost support for the cause and committed to promote the vision and mission of PIL throughout the United Kingdom, Europe and Pakistan.